Hello everyone. Today's lesson we're going to focus on trigonometry applied problems. We're going to look at how trigonometric ratios helps us solve problems in geometry. Here are the answers to last lesson. Could you please mark them? They're also present in slide 2 for your reference. The 5 for 5 starter is in slide 4. And the answers are given in slide 5. I would like you on a piece of paper on your exercise book, try all those 5 questions and check your answers in slide 5. Let's look at a few examples, and I want to provide you feedback before I solve one of the questions involving applications of trigonometry. Labeling the sides. Again, opposite to 90 degrees, the longer side, which is the hypotenuse. Opposite to the angle, or the side opposite to the angle, is called the opposite side. And the side next to it is called the adjacent side. It is important you name the triangle correctly. I have questions on slide 7 asking you to name the triangles. Could you please label the triangles and check your answers, which are given in slide 6? Sorry, slide 8. Remember, Sokotowa, the phrase helps us to identify the formulas of the 3 trigonometric ratios. And this triangle is absolutely crucial in calculating the missing side or the missing angle. Let's look at one of the question. A person is flying a kite and the angle of elevation is 55 degrees. The kite is 35 meters away horizontally. And we are asked to calculate how far is the kite. Now there are 3 ratios, and we need to first identify which ratio we need to use. And this is very crucial. Most of you are labeling all the sides and identifying the wrong ratio because you labeled all the sides and you haven't crossed out the unwanted one. In this case, this is cos because there is a value for A, which is 35 meters. We need to calculate the value of h, the hypotenuse. We don't require the opposite side. Hence, it involves cos because it involves adjacent side and the hypotenuse. Now, using the cos triangle, should be C, A, and H. Now we need to find out the value of H, so I'm going to cross or cover it, which means that the hypotenuse is given by the formula adjacent divided by cos 55. So the hypotenuse would be adjacent side, which is 35 divided by cos 55 degrees. When you're using your calculator, please ensure the calculator is in degree mode so that you get the correct answer. And 35 divided by cos 55 degrees would provide you 61 meters. Using the example provided, please test yourself in slide 10, 11, 12. Once you have tested those examples, open the worksheet, which is Trig application worksheets. The questions are provided below. You need to complete 5 questions. What I would be suggesting you is you need to draw the triangle and then complete it. For example, here a 4-meter long ladder is placed against a wall. So I'm going to just sketch a wall and a ladder is placed against it. I'm going to draw the base, which forms a right angled triangle. Notice a rough sketch. You can use ruler to draw neatly. That's the 90 degrees. A 4-meter long ladder. So that is the information we'll be using it. And that's 4 meters because that is the ladder which is provided in the diagram. How far up the wall does the ladder reach? So they're asking you how far does it reach, and we know this is 75 degrees. I would recommend you first label it, which would be the opposite side, and this would be the hypotenuse. Notice I haven't labeled the adjacent side because we're not interested to find the distance between the ladder and the wall, and there is no value provided. Now notice O and H involves sine, which is SOH. Use the circuit over triangle to work out the opposite side. So make sure you have the triangle ready for you. So that provides you S, O, and H. We want to calculate the value of O. I crossed that out, which means the opposite side is given by the formula sine 75 multiplied by. So that would be sine 75 degrees multiplied by 4. You could use brackets. So the calculator calculates sine 45 initially, and then multiplies the value of sine 75 by 4. Ensure you give your answer to 1 decimal place. I've gone through one of the example. Using this example, continue complete the worksheet. If you have any questions, please let me know. Good luck.